Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to change FTM to Sonic. As we know, FTM, that is Phantom, they have changed their token from FTM to a new name called Sonic. So we are also going to check the genuine link, checking the genuine link, and then we're going to check how to connect. So how do you connect your wallet to this genuine link so that you can change FTM into Sonic? And then the last one, I'll show you how to do the process. So this is simply the procedure that we're going to do to be able to change Phantom into Sonic. So let's go and check how to do these processes. Getting the genuine link, you have to go on your Twitter account and then search for Sonic. Just write Sonic. It's called Sonic. So once you write Sonic, this is their page. The current page of FTM is called Sonic Lab. So click this one, Sonic Lab, and then down here where it is written blockchain, let me show you here. So here is where there is the link. So you have to click this link to be able to get the genuine link of Sonic Lab. So then we will click this link here, and then the link will be open. This is the link. So our genuine link is this one, upgrade FTM to Sonic. So you click here, and then once you click here, you have to copy this. You can connect the wallet, but I prefer taking this link. So you copy this link and then you go to your wallet. For me, I'm using MetaMask wallet. So if I log into my MetaMask wallet, then here I'll click here. You have to click this menu, this menu. So click on this menu. And then here upward, here where it is written portfolio.metamask.io, click it and then delete this link and then paste your link, the link that you copied from Sonic Lab. So this one. So we paste it here, and then I will search. So I click go. So I will search. So this is the link. It shows that I'm upgrading from Phantom to Sonic. But before doing anything, you have to connect your wallet. So I will click here, connect. Now I'm connecting my MetaMask wallet. So I'll click MetaMask and then I will say connect. Okay, so remember, once you are connecting, make sure the network is Phantom. So if you are using MetaMask, it will give you the currency symbol direct. So I will click this one and then I will confirm. That means I'm connecting, I'm switching my network from BNB to Phantom. So I say got it. So now you can see my wallet is already connected, and here the FTM amount that I have is this one, 12.13. So I want to change this FTM, this balance, into Sonic. So what should I do? Remember, the fee is 0.1 FTM. So here I'll have to write the amount of FTM that I want to change. So I want to change 12 FTM, which is $6.216, and let's say I'm changing like 75%. Let me check. Okay, remember the fee is 0.1, so you have to leave at least 0.1 FTM as a fee, as a gas fee. So maybe I'm changing 12. So once you write the amount of FTM you have, and then click upgrade. So once you click upgrade, it said that this is 12 FTM, this is 6.29, and the network fee is this one. So once I click confirm, now I've changed my FTM token into Sonic token. So simply, this is how to change FTM, that's Phantom token, into Sonic. Thanks very much for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe and share to others so that they can know how to change FTM into Sonic Lab. Thank you very much.